start our day off, let's do a morning meeting. For morning meeting work, we are going to write our phonics words and say them to ourselves. Go on ahead, get your whiteboard and marker, or a paper and pencil, or if you don't have any of that, you can do air writing. Let's start with our red words. Ready? Red. Red. Rob. Rob. B. Make sure you're writing. B. Ugh. Bug. R. Ugh. Rug. B. Ig. Big. D. Ig. Dig. Remember, we're on the blue words now, so I'm going to give you a minute to write the rest of the red words and say them. You can say them to a stuffed animal, or to your mom, or to your dad, or brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, aunt, and uncle, whoever you want. Okay, let's move on. Let's go back to dig. I think I was going a little fast. D. Ig. Dig. K. An. Can. Like I can do a great job at reading my sight words and my phonics words. T. An. Tan. Tan is a color. Okay, ready? J. B. Job. We all have a job to do our best work, even with virtual learning. Next word. Bob. Bob. Do you have a friend named Bob? To red words. Ox. Box. Ox. Fox. The fox was on the box. That sounds so funny, doesn't it? Get your blending arms. Ox. Ox. Ready? Tot. Tot. Ought. Not. And let's do this last word. Ought. Dot. You know what? That doesn't look very big. Let's make a bigger dot. There we go. That's a bigger dot. Good job, boys and girls. You did so good. Don't forget, write these words, take a picture, and post them in your assignments. Great job. Let's move on to some math, shall we?